Edward Willis, the Window King. Here I am with my new trainee artist. We're sitting here in front of the truck over at the Mad River Hospital checking out the beautiful horse. Letting my kids play. Beautiful Sunday. And as Buddha ran around the tree until the tree spoke. Keep your eye out and listen for what nature has to say. Such a beautiful day.
Don't be Bill. It's me.
Come on, boy.
Come on. Ooh, don't be here. Don't be. He's trying to bite you. He's trying. Okay.
Come on, baby. Good boy. Good boy.
Whoa.
All muscle.
Almost.
Beautiful. Really strong, beautiful. You guys get down. Come on, don't get up in his world. That's his world.
Dad.
Touch his eyes and scare him. Be pleasant. Okay, come on, let's go, kids. All right, come on, baby.
No.
Come on, sweetheart. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Okay. Say hi, world. Say my name is Isis. Yeah. And there it is. That's what life is all about. Having your crew. Getting your people ready. Don't be a sucker. Have your own. Say hi, world.
Hi, Horsey.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Come on.
Bye-bye.
That's how we do it. I'm about to go in here now. See, my little baby girl just got born. Remember, power is knowledge. Be cool. Peace. Go ahead, baby. Let's get ready to go see mommy.